How to change language in Leagues of Legends. Let's get started. For this purpose, open your Google and search for Leagues of Legends. In results section, click on the link that says www.leagueoflegends.com. You will be redirected to the home page. From here, log into your account and click on your profile icon. Now tap on settings option. A page like this will appear in your settings section. As you can see, I have downloaded Valorant and not Leagues of Legends, but both of these games are from the same developers. So you will find the same settings in both games. Click on the game you want to change the language, and from here you can tap on the language option and choose any language you want, and then tap on the repair button, and that's how you can change language in Leagues of Legends and any game from the same developer. Thank you for watching.